range that posted a sign banning Muslims from entering. Tom George introduces us to the man behind that lawsuit. Tom.
Well, Wendy and Mike, this lawsuit filed today claims that the gun range in Oktahah is an explicitly segregated business. This all stemming from a sign posted on the door last year calling it a Muslim-free establishment. Now they're being sued by a Muslim Army veteran from Tulsa who says he was denied service based on his faith. Raja'i Fatiha is many things, an Oklahoman, an Army veteran.
I'm a Muslim, and I recognize what a blessing it is to be an American.
He also enjoys shooting sports.
Not just to maintain proficiency, but also as a hobby.
But when he went to the Save Yourself Survival and Tactical Gun Range in Muskogee County, he found an unwelcoming sign on the door calling it a Muslim-free establishment. He says he talked with the owners and that everything went smoothly until he mentioned that he was Muslim.
They started treating me with suspicion that was surprising given how kind and friendly they had been up to that point.
Court documents say that's when the owners asked him if he was there to commit violent jihad and accused him of being there to kill them under Sharia law. It says the owners armed themselves with handguns and refused to let Fatiha use the range. Fatiha says he tried to talk with them, but didn't have any luck.
I tried to alleviate their fears by discussing those things with them, engaging in a dialogue that was ultimately unsuccessful, and they asked me to leave.
His lawsuit, supported by the ACLU and the Council on American Islamic Relations, says the gun shop is violating the Civil Rights Act based on religion, and they're confident the court will agree.
It will likely be the first forcible desegregation of a business in Oklahoma in, I would say, half a century, perhaps more.
We called the gun range, and the owner referred us to his lawyer, Robert Muse, who told us the case isn't about discrimination, but safety.
The law does not require a gun shop or gun range owners of a business that is inherently dangerous, to equip or train the next San Bernardino-type jihadist or anyone who may pose a public safety risk.
But for Fatiha, it's personal.
No one should be denied access to a public business based solely on who they are.
Now, in addition, for asking the court to desegregate that gun range, the lawsuit is also asking for damages for emotional distress as well as for attorney's fees. Tom George, Fox 25 News.
New today, the number of Oklahomans applying for a gun license has nearly tripled in